Iloilo on the guests for this launch event board. Once again, this is 55341. Please do check your boarding ticket. We welcome you on board Cebu Pacific. Ready to depart for Iloilo. In command of the aircraft is Captain Ben Nasayo and ably assisted by First Officer Alan Jimenez. Our flying time will be approximately 55 minutes.
Ladies and gentlemen, please direct your attention to your cabin crew who will demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. Each seat is provided with a seatbelt. To fasten, push ends together. Tighten seatbelt by pulling loose end. To unfasten, lift toggle buckle and pull free end to release. In case of water landing, your life vest is found under your seat. Remove sharp objects from your body. To don, slip vest over the head. Take tape around the waist and push end to buckle. Pull tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull inflation tags to inflate vest. Manual inflation is done by means of the red tubes. Blow to increase air. And push pin inward to release air. Light automatically illuminates once the battery is immersed in water. Do not inflate the life vest inside the aircraft. Please be reminded that unauthorized removal of life vests from the aircraft constitutes theft and is punishable by law. In case of rapid change in cabin pressure, oxygen masks will automatically drop from the compartments above you. Immediately grab the mask and pull it towards you. Put it over your nose and mouth. Pull elastic band sideways for snug fit and breathe normally. Put your own mask first before assisting others. Keep it on until you are advised to remove it. In case of emergency evacuation, follow the lights that will lead you to the exits. For further information, please refer to the passenger briefing card found in your seat pocket. This aircraft is equipped with emergency exit signs found in the cabin. The location of the nearest exit may be behind you. Each cabin door is equipped with a slide raft. In any eventuality, guests must leave their bags and immediately proceed to the non-smoking flight. Use of vape, e-cigarette, and all smoking or vapor inhaling and emitting devices is prohibited by Philippine Civil Aviation regulations. Please stop using your gadget if the battery becomes excessively warm. This refers to all gadgets powered by lithium battery or charger.
weather descending right now and passing 31,000 feet. Estimated touchdown at about 5:09 in the morning. Time check for your convenience, it's 4:45 in the morning. Weather in Iloilo is currently with a temperature of 22 degrees Celsius. The map Cebu Pacific, commanded by Captain Nasayo, together with our cabin crew headed by Michen, Romeo, L, Nikki, and Jersey. Thank you for flying with us and hope to see you again in the future flights. Micro landing stations.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed at Iloilo Airport and Cebu Pacific Air welcomes you to Iloilo. On behalf of your flight deck crew headed by Captain Ben Acayo and First Officer Alan Jimenez, together with your in-flight cabin crew team on this flight, we thank you for choosing to fly with Cebu Pacific.
For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave your personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins, as heavy items may have moved during the flight. If you require assistance, please remain in your seat until all other passengers have declaimed. Thank you for flying Cebu Pacific, a member of Value Alliance. Your cabin crew will stand up momentarily to do a safety-related procedure. Please remain seated.